NCNA stock analysis and NCNA stock prediction. In this brief and short 1 minute video, I'm going to be breaking down my exact play with NuCana stock. It's 15% up. I mean, needless to say, this is just it's hitting the gap, you know what I mean? Like, both times I was open-minded for selling, I was like, okay, there's a double break, willing to take it down. And now we're here, you know, now it's 15% up, and I'm like waiting for the same exact thing, but from a bullish lens. And notice how, I mean, that was not a sell because no rules got met. And here, at least I saw the first break. There's a second one, obviously willing to take it further up. So that's how NCNA is looking like. If you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails. Obviously, I'll continue to keep you updated, but other than that, just randomly forcing these trades here, it's not going to be happening. You know what I mean? So see you in the next one. Goodbye. Enjoy.